What is new criticism? New criticism is a critical doctrine of the early 20th century criticism. This type of criticism focuses on the close reading of the text and the author's biography and social background are of little interest for the critics. The critics are focusing more on words on the page, and they indulge in a sort of textual dissection or textual anatomy. That is, they focus their attention on the text. They believe that there is nothing outside the text. And in this group, we have Alan Tate, Wimsett, Blackmore, etc.